Hello there, everyone. Thank you for joining me once again for another episode of Michael's Munchies. And today I have some Pringles Wavy. This is melted pub cheese. It's a limited time flavor. So it's nice, kind of like, I guess, kind of like nacho cheese, but not. It's pub cheese, but like the way it looks. Looks kind of like the nacho cheese you dip, the giant pretzels in, or something you'd find at, yeah, kind of like bar food or something. But I don't know. We'll see. Let's take a look. See how these taste. And they smell okay. Kind of cheesy, nothing special. Just smells like generic cheese, I guess. So, bunch of seasoning on there. Let's see how different it is. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, you can taste that it doesn't taste just like cheddar. Okay. Oh, good. Yeah, I immediately get. I guess it's not quite nacho cheese. This actually kind of tastes like beer cheese a little bit. When I think of the melted cheese that you have with a giant pretzel, for sure. I know it's not quite like nacho cheese. It doesn't have that like spiciness or anything, but so it makes me think of that and like a beer cheese. Hmm. Hmm. Interesting. I mean, it's nice. I mean, it's like a smooth, nice smooth cheese. Nothing too. It's not sharp. It's not. I don't know. It's a yeah. It's a nice cheese. It did a good job. I mean, I immediately think I can immediately envision in my head the kind of cheese that it's from. Hmm. Well, yeah, it seems a little hard to put into words. But yeah, I guess I didn't. I was thinking of something else with pub cheese, but I guess yeah, they have this picture of just what I assume is a giant pretzel, giant soft pretzel, dipping in cheese. It's accurate because I guess yeah, that's what I think of. But there's something more, and I can't quite put my finger on it. Yeah, pretty good. I would say nothing exciting. It's like I was expecting something a little different, but it's still okay. Uh, but I'm only gonna give it like a 6.5 out of 10. So it's good. It's nice cheese. It's very good and tasty, but eh, I don't know. Nothing exciting. If you see this, pick it up while you still can, and let me know what you think. There's just something. It's just I'm blanking on it. It's just I can't quite articulate it right. So, but yeah, there you have it. 6.5 out of 10. But whatever. Uh, like and subscribe if you feel like it. Michael's Munchies on Facebook. Michael's underscore Munchies on Instagram. And yeah, thank you all once again for watching. And until next time, enjoy your food.
Marcus Munches, yeah.